This trusty 90 on 200,000 miles. It's brought over from the UK, so it's got a bit of rust on it. I've got to replace the crossmember next week because it's a holy crossmember. No, it's a good little vehicle this. It's actually surprisingly good compared to the 110 I've been working on. That thing's a dog. That thing is a dog. But this one runs pretty sweet for 200,000 miles. It's the gearbox, like second gear, smooth, just smooth. It's got a funny kind of idle sound, and the all pressure light takes a while to go out. Not ages, but more than usual. To be honest, I joked yesterday, I said, perhaps it's the driver, because this one's not had many problems. The other one's got all the wheel bearings needs replaced, the swivel pin bearings were shot, the front diff is toast, universal joints worn out, leaking from every freaking seal. So I joked that perhaps it's the driver. To be honest, I'm pretty sure that it is. He drives faster than I would drive, with a bit less sympathy, and keeps it in. He gets to fifth gear as quick as he can, and keeps it in third and in places where I would be in second. So that's why people think the Land Rovers are unreliable, but they're only unreliable if you think they're indestructible, and I think that's a big thing. A lot of people think the Land Rovers are indestructible, so they treat them like they're indestructible. Then they break, and they can take abuse, but they can't take sustained, constant abuse without a bit of TLC. Just like any mechanical thing, they get a bad reputation. But this one's been surprisingly reliable, and I think it's probably down to the driver, the main driver. Yeah, mechanical sympathy, completely underrated. We went to a lodge yesterday. We took the differential there for them to have a look at it, but they had to clear away a dismantled transfer box, and the owner was cursing because the driver had left it in diff lock on the tarmac road, and it had snapped the cross pin in the centre diff, which is like the last bit you have to take out if you're dismantling the whole box. So was not happy because it's an unnecessary thing, completely unnecessary. So that's a situation of having zero mechanical sympathy or not much understanding of what the vehicle is and when to use certain features and how to drive it, and they're paying the price. Take the transfer box off, strip it down, replace the bits, put it back together. And out here, parts are not easy or quick to come by. They're not quick or cheap to come by, put it that way. And the last thing you want is to be stranded out here with lions, elephants and hippos, because it's getting dark. So mechanical sympathy goes a long way, particularly in this kind of environment.